Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. At first you're gonna have to open settings on your device and then navigate down to device care menu. Open it. After that, navigate to the very bottom of the list and select maintenance mode. Then select turn on. Make sure to check the circle next to create lock and restart, and then tap restart. Verify your identity using biometrics or password. Then wait until the lock is created. And after your device is restarted, it will switch to the maintenance mode and your device will be prepared for the repair. Now, in order to disable the maintenance mode, what you're gonna have to do is go back to settings, then go back to the device care menu, then again at the bottom of the list you will find maintenance mode, select exit and select restart, and once again provide your password and let your phone restart once again, and this will basically switch your device back into the normal mode. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.